Hello Zimbabwe, hello world. My name is Vocal. Some of you might know me, but my second one is Zimbabwean DJ. But then today is not about me, it's about Jah Hanief. Yeah, so we're going to discuss a little bit about Jah Hanief, things that you don't know, things that you might know, and things that you want to know. So first of all, we want Jah Hanief to introduce himself to the world so that people will get to know him.
Hi world, yeah, as you have heard from the guy himself, the main man himself, Vocal. I am Jah Hanief, and Jah Hanief is my DJ name. My actual name is Hanief K. Sadiq. And some of you know me, some of you don't, and some of you get to know me after this interview.
So today I'm wearing a JH Wear t-shirt, straight from England. So we want Jah Hanief to tell us more about JH Wear. Where did it start and what's the inspiration behind the word?
Right, first and foremost, JH Wear is a brand, right? It's not like a local brand, it's an international brand. That's what I want to say, so people know that this brand is not a selected brand for a selective crowd or a selective race or selective nation or selective country. Yeah, JH Wear started when I was just sitting, right, doing my design work. As most of you might know, or if you don't know, Jah Hanief is a graphic designer as well. So I was just doing my design work and I just thought, oh, you know what? I've got a few people who started some labels, some clothing lines and all, but they're not really pushing it into, like, you know, the likes of different countries, different crowds. You know, they just stick into one crowd. If it's an elderly crowd, they'll do a design for the elderly. If it's like, let's say, our music, our Zimdancehall music, they'll just manage to cater for the Zimdancehall. So JH Wear, I wanted to cater for the whole nation, the whole world actually. That's where I'm heading with this. That's my inspiration. That's where it all started from. I want something that as Zimbabweans, we can stand and say, this is our label from our own Jah Hanief, our main man from our country, and it's global now.
Okay, speaking of which, you said you're a graphic designer. Yeah. Of which / DJ / music promoter / artist. So I just want you to tell the world, how are you managing to balance everything? Like, seriously, this is something big, and how are you balancing it?
Yeah, I know it's major. One thing is, some of us don't sleep. We don't sleep, right? We don't sleep till we make it. I'm not gonna sleep till I'm a millionaire, multi-millionaire, billionaire, right? That's always been my dream. So what I do is I work hard. Let's say I work 22 hours and get the 2 hours sleep, right? That's why I'm getting the progress and I'm getting the vibe in everything. Graphic design, artistry, I'm a radio presenter as well, you know, and I'm a promoter, so I'm touching every field. I'm not just a UK promoter, but I'm more or less a global promoter because I do events in different countries. So it's all coming together in the hard work and not sleeping. I'm just putting in the work, concentrating more and managing to manage everything in one go.
Okay, so with this JH Wear thing, we want to know which is your target and what is your target market. Where are you focusing on? I want the ghetto youths to wear my thing, or I want the uptown people to wear my thing. Where is your target market?
Right, target market, don't really have a target market. But what I've got is, I've got a dream, and it's a dream that I need to fulfill. So what I need to do in this design is, I want the people, we can't call them less fortunate, but we just say people from the ghetto. I am from the ghetto. As you can see right now, we're in Barre, right? That's a ghetto, right? So we're doing an interview from Barre, which is a ghetto, right? So I want the ghetto youths to wear the brand, you understand? But when they wear it, I don't want them to wear it as if like they're just wearing something that just pick up on the street. I want it to have a value, right? So that's why I want uptown people to endorse it as well. I want people in America, people in France, people in Australia, Russia, people in Germany to endorse it as well. So once I do that, then the ghetto youth is going to be like, oh, this is our brand. But you can see Puff Daddy, you can see Jennifer Lopez, you can see LeBron James wearing JH wear. That's my dream. So I want the ghetto youths to rise up and say, we've got a ghetto leader from the ghetto, one of ours, who's got a brand which is going global. That's my dream and that's my wish and that's what I want to happen. So that's why I'm having this interview. So everybody can see, can hear my dream, can see my vision, so we can all be in the one place. Because I don't want it to be an undermined label. I want it to be a label that, you know, it can be rated next to Gucci, Versace and all them. But it's not me who's gonna make it happen. It's the people, the roots. That's why I'm doing an interview in my roots. So the roots, right, we build a foundation from the roots. So we're doing a foundation right now. Until it gets to the roof level, then that's when we know that the label has made it.
Speaking of dreams, I just want you to tell the world, or let the world know about your plans from 2017 and beyond. Where do we see JH where from here? You said globally. But then let's talk about Zimbabwe reality with the economic conditions that we are in right now. Where do you see JH where?
The people, they supported. I brought a few samples and all, and I managed to sell a lot of it to people in Zimbabwe. No matter what the situation is like, they're so supportive. So with the dream and everything, it shows that it can reach out somewhere. Because if people intend to just buy JH wear from the stash that they've been stocking in their pocket, saying that we need to survive off this, but they're buying JH wear, that's one support right there. So the foundation, the stem is being built. Then for 2017, what I'm just feeling is until when we reach Christmas time, I want JH wear, everybody to be talking about JH wear everywhere. Do you know, like when we reach Christmas, I want everybody to be talking about JH wear, talking about it in Zimbabwe, because this is my home, this is my country, this is my yard, and this is where JH was born, although otherwise it was born in the UK, but its roots is here.
Okay, I fully understand that. Yeah. So, besides it being global, has it been launched yet?
Right, we haven't actually officially launched JH wear, but we managed to sell a lot of products. Only the t-shirts and the tracksuits are in the streets at the moment, and we managed to sell a lot of these. Right, the brand is not unleashed yet, so we're gonna do launches from June. We're gonna launch the label in the UK in June. So we're organizing a catwalk, we're organizing a dinner, we're organizing an event where they can showcase the label. So we got models, we got important people, we got journalists and the likes, the radio people, so we can launch it. Then in July, we're gonna launch it in South Africa and Zimbabwe as well. So July is going to be a tour. I'm going to be going on tour with JH, and we're going to launch it in South Africa and we launch it in Zimbabwe as well.
Okay, so if people want these t-shirts, the tracksuit that you're talking about, where would they contact you? Where is JH situated?
Right, at the moment we ain't got like we ain't got a store, we got a web store. So if you go on www.jhwear.co.uk, you'll be able to purchase the brand no matter where you are in the world. Because if you can't pay for it there's options that you can send us a message. We get a message on WhatsApp, email, or Facebook. It will lead you to Facebook, so you can message us direct from Facebook, and we organize. We got we got a contract with a few companies like TNT, FedEx, DHL, and the likes, so we can deliver anywhere in the world, really.
Okay, so Zimbabwe, we had here.
JH wear, put some rhythm in your wear.
So far so good, ekitaba tipe my baby are nice. Baby unotama kushika mabenzenze amira wo. Vetango mira wo, badi paura pananeto. Uchafira mukira unisenza kaita mafivenpo. Shimwe jauneta so, kamtamiro kapaka kasiko. Jah Hanief, iwe mwana sikana tamba uchidai so. Waina muchuno wako ziri slow slow. Walampulobo, kana zikana kitamari vano kanda. Tambiza muchuno wako uzanyara. Baby stara yako iyo inadura. Kana mabondi estet inatora. Mapula mayuro maranzi tazotora. Baby unatama kushika mabenzeze amirawo.